Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make fruit tarts, tropical fruit tarts. I would just say just regular, berries and stuff. So in the bottom we have lemon curd. In the next video, we in the next video I'm gonna make the lemon curd, but today I just want to explain how you can make a simple nice fruit tarts. Very beautiful, very creative. um it's a really simple process. It's a very simple process. um it's you just gonna use, basically you can use whatever you have and whatever you can afford. It's, um it's not gonna be expensive. Simple stuff you can use, and you can create a really nice fruit tarts. As you can see, I could use a lot of expensive stuff, but I prefer not to. If you have like family member, I would say, you know, coming over, and you want to create a wow situate like wow fruit tarts. um it's very simple process. So what you have is strawberry, blackberry, and raspberry, and blueberry. So you can add more stuff to it. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through this fruit tart. I'm giving you different ways that you can create your own fruit tarts. The shell, I already made the shell. um Unfortunately, in this video we're not gonna make the shell also, but in the next video, you can watch it in the next video, we can um create nice unique fruit tarts, and very simple, and not so expensive. So once again, the the custard is a very simple method. It's not hard, very easy step, and I really have a simple recipe for you. If you like this fruit tarts, and you think you want to do something for any family member coming over, you know, this will be a really good idea for you to make. And if you are going to make something, like if you have like any form of get together, weddings, picnic, and any function going on, I think this is an easy and simple process to make. Again, it's very simple. You also can use flowers if you like, to make the fruit tarts look very beautiful. And also pixie dust, if you want to put a little bit of pixie dust on it, on the finishing. You also can do it. And if you have gold leaf and you want to use the gold leaf, um you can tell them you can use the gold leaf on these fruit tarts. um lot of stuff you can do with this fruit tarts. Again, as you can see in the video, I try to add different type of flowers to this fruit tarts to make them look very attractive and very beautiful. Again, it's a very easy, simple process. It's not hard. And also, if you wondering how my fruit tarts is so glassy and shiny, um, what I use apricot glaze. You don't have to use apricot glaze if you don't have apricot glaze. You can just boil some sugar. You boil sugar, you get some sugar, water, and you basically boil it and make like a simple syrup, and also have a recipe for that also. But for now, I use apricot. And what you can use again, if you go to the store, Walmart and all this kind of whatever store you shop, and if you want flavor in your fruit tart, if you want to glaze this fruit tart, what you can use again, you also can use like a any form of apple, like a apple marmalade or apple jam, and you add some water into that. And this would be I would suggest you should do this type of like do this method that I'm telling you right now. If you use, this is my suggestion, only if you can afford it. If you go to the store and you buy like a raspberry jam or apple jam or apple marmalade, what you can do, or if you have like corn syrup in your cabinet, you can boil. You can boil the tin it down a little bit, add some in the pot, boil it, and then just add a little, just a little, not too much, just a small portion. Like I would say, probably like 2 tablespoons, because you're not gonna. I don't think you're gonna cook for like a thousand people, or. And this is just an idea that I can give. Okay, so you can tin it down and basically use a small brush and basically glaze it. Glaze it to get that shiny glaze, and that's how I get the shiny glaze. If you're wondering why it's so shiny, it may look like oil on it, yeah, right. So it's not a Vaseline or whatever I put on there. It's very because I make these like for weddings and those kind of stuff, and big VIP function. Sometimes I make these for over 1,000 people, or 2,000 people. You name, go for it. There, that's what I do. This is just something that I do on a daily basis. So, and as you can see in the picture, I put some flowers. You just pinch the side of the flowers, and you can create it and make it beautiful the way you want. And I think it's a really creative way that you can. And if you have pineapple, you want to add pineapple. If you want to add cherry or whatever you want to add to make it look wow, you can add to it. And as much fruit you can put into it. You don't want to put too much color fruit, but it's up on you what you prefer. But I prefer to just being simple. If you want to make basically like a traditional fruit tart, if you want to do like tropical fruit tart, you can add tropical in the sense of you can add mango. You can slice the mango really thin. You can or scoop it like in a little small cube, cut it in a small cube. You can do all these little small stuff if you want. Or if you want to add kiwi, if you want to add you name it. If you want to add dragon fruit, whatever fruit you can find, because it's all fruit, right? That's why they call it fruit tarts. You can add to it. So it's up to you, your preference. You can go ahead and create your own. I want to say this video is wrapping up because I don't want to stay too long in here. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward. And if you check out my channel, I have a lot more different variety. I want to say thank you so much. Variety of different stuff. I want to say thank you so much again. I appreciate you, and please like and subscribe if you think this channel was helpful. And looking shortly to coming out with more video. And when you subscribe, this helped me at my page to get a lot more better. Thank you. Peace.